when I go to the village, there is place really nice. There's people don't have negative energy, normally have a lot of negative energy. I think it's not nice for all people. There is place is really negative. I ask me when they have the possibility to stay here to work. It's really crazy, I think. When I come back to here, my tent, I stay a lot of things I have nervously. Is really crazy. The exercise is really nice. This is why I post this for stress. I don't know when you are not nice then. And sleep more, do more things. Really easy with peace and harmony. Is a wall, a social wall. Rabin Sarah is really nice for that. But I give them for a man because it's better for them. It's really difficult for them, and it's love too. He give me a gift. For me, it's natural to give them, and later I buy this for me because it's more easy for me stay in this place and do positive thing and do meditation, all these things. People don't realize, I think, speak all the time, all things are not do, thinking negative really are pollute all in your life on the earth, pollute people, negative, bad energy, really not nice for people. I don't understand why people want to die. People want to die. I don't understand this thing. It's really crazy, I think. Really crazy. And decide to people what they have to do. I don't understand that. I think when I go to the village, it looks like Ku Klux Klan. I don't know if they say that. People cry for that, suffering for that, and they want this thing come back on your life. It's really crazy, I think. It's really important, I say that, warrior of light never do things for people suffering. They do all things really good. When they see that is not good, they say, oh, it's crazy, I never do that again. I never do that again. I don't want animals suffering. It's really true. I have not a lot of money. I give them food because they give me love, they give me a message, they give me a lot of things. They help me a lot. The animals give me more things, more than human. It's crazy. I prefer animals. I prefer stay with animals. not next to me, not nice, because I do my work. I see you. The cat. You don't like that. A lot of negative. Yes. The other cat say me that it's not nice when I say that. We nervously, no, it's not nice. They say me, oh, Alison, not nice for you. Don't continue, please. They want hate more. Not nice. I understand that. Sorry, my son. Sorry. I don't like that. This is why I don't like. I prefer to stay a lot of time here because people don't habituate to that. When I have a lot of things to do, really important, I prefer do all my work on the social network. It's more easy for all people, I think. It's helped me at the same thing. It's love, but this time I have a lot of things to do. I prefer it's free too. I prefer it's free. I don't want they stay a lot of time, and maybe I give them food. But if I go, I don't want they die. I want they continue to live this life really nice. I don't want sad too. And the cat sad when I not say is not nice for me. I'm thinking of from something yesterday for the other cat positive. I don't remember why they cry, because I forgotten them, and I remember that buy food, not the men want buy food really nice for them, but if I have not possibility to buy them all the time, I don't want them sad. This is why, and there are more food. It's good for their skin, all thing. I give them essential oil lavender, because it catch a lot with this negative energy, and the skin are not nice, and all they have baby. Not nice. You continue, you want more love. I don't want you habituated to that. I don't want you sad when I go. I don't want you follow me too. When I go to my work, no, it's not nice. I don't want. When I don't say this place, it's okay. When I when they have fire, I think with tree, I cook, eat. This time there is a little animal, little insect. I don't know in English. They have children say me that, oh, it's not nice, it's not nice. They die. They die. But I don't choose the tree. I don't choose, and it's better if this tree or people die on the sea, I think. I prefer cut my hair for people don't die too, or do a lot of things. Warrior of Light do this thing too, differently. Differently, they do this thing all the time. People don't recognize that, they don't understand that. It's not that nice. It's not nice. Warrior of Light do all things for all, normally. It's really difficult to live this life when you are a warrior of light and you have consciousness of that. Yes, it's really difficult, I think. This is why it's really important to respect all people, respect all things, the law, all things. There is time I do things differently. Respect people is really nice. For me, it's important to do my work, and all animals are nice. You want kiss people? Yeah? Kiss them? Yeah. You are really nice. And nature is nice. Children is nice. Don't all the time rubber energy people. It's really crazy too. If you want to die alone, please. Don't do that. Fight all the time, I think. Oh, you want wine? It's not nice for you. Cats not drink these things. Not nice. Not nice for you. Because you feel at the same time when I drink, it's really nice. You want to taste it. Not nice for you. You are worrying, I think. Peace.